Hey, this is Roy from Cloud9 Classics here in Alpharetta, Georgia. I'm inside the showroom today checking out another gorgeous Factory 5 Racing Shelby Cobra replica. This is a Mark II. Original build date on this car was 2004, but the gentleman I bought it from Florida actually purchased the car in 2009 and wanted to see if his wife would enjoy riding around with him, so he left it as it was when he bought it. She gave him the nod of approval, and he took the car and took it up several levels. All new paint back between 2009 2010. He had the car completely stripped down, repainted in this beautiful Toreador red metallic with the silver stripes going down the front and rear of the car. He also completely upgraded the drivetrain, had a professionally built 306 roller 5.0 Ford motor built for this car with all kinds of trick flow performance parts, trick flow fuel injection. So this is a turnkey get in and go 350 horsepower Cobra that you can drive and enjoy. It has got all the ground pounding power that you'll want out of one. Absolutely gorgeous paint and body. Let me give you a quick walk around tour. Sitting on a set of 17-inch Halabrand styled knockoff wheels. Not true knockoffs, but it's the same style as the original wheels. Beautiful ceramic coated headers with the heat shields. Check out that paint. Barely a chip. I found one or two tiny chips along the door edge, but otherwise the paint is absolutely gorgeous. It's got the dual chrome roll bars that are tied into the frame, so functional if worst thing happens. Beautiful. Look at the stance on this Cobra. It's got the fatter tires in the rear. It's also got the Tremec 5-speed, so you can get in and pull serious horsepower, and then you can also cruise in 5th gear on the highway. 8.8 Ford rear inch, 4-link suspension, 4-wheel disc brake setup. It's got the wind wings on it. This car also has a kind of a cool Bimini top. I'll try to get a picture of that, but not a full convertible top, but basically a bikini top that covers the driver and passenger. Nice to have in the real hot climates to keep that sun from beating down on you. Check out the ad for all the details on the drivetrain. I'm sure I'm missing several things. Interior looks great. Bucket seats with the Simpson racing harnesses. Leather wrapped steering wheel. AC pedals. I'm gonna fire it up and let you hear it. Again, it's fuel injected. Only 3,700 miles on this motor since it was built. Turn of the key. That's how you expect your Cobra to sound. I've driven it, ton of fun to drive. If you got any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks very much and good luck.